Hello and welcome to Anfal Rajpoot official YouTube channel. Today, we have a quick and effective leg stretching routine designed for beginners. Whether you're into yoga or exercise, these stretches will help you improve your flexibility and overall body mobility. In just 2 minutes, you'll be on your way to more limber and relaxed muscles. Let's get started. Warm up. First, we'll begin with a quick warm-up to prepare our muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and gently roll your shoulders backward for 15 seconds. This helps to loosen up any tension. Quad stretch. Now, let's focus on stretching your quadriceps. Find a sturdy surface for balance. Lift one foot, bend your knee, and hold your ankle behind you. Gently push your hips forward, feeling the stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold this for 20 seconds on each leg. Hamstring stretch. Moving on to hamstring stretches. Stand with your feet together, and gently reach down toward your toes. If you can't touch them yet, that's perfectly fine. Just go as far as you comfortably can. Hold this for 20 seconds. Calf stretch. Now, let's target the calf muscles. Find a wall or a sturdy object to lean against. Step one foot back and press the heel into the ground. Feel the stretch in your calf. Hold for 20 seconds on each leg. Cool down. Great job! That's 2 minutes of leg stretching for beginners. Remember, consistency is key to improving your flexibility. Before we wrap up, let's do some gentle stretches to cool down. Shake out your legs and take a few deep breaths. Thank you for joining us today on Anfal Rajpoot official YouTube channel. Incorporating these leg stretches into your routine can help prevent injury and improve your overall mobility. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful exercise tips. See you next time.